Hello, this is Aniya, and I come from Yiwu Market again. Now I'm in Yiwu Market. Yiwu Market is the biggest home decoration market in the world, and this is a place with over 2,000 suppliers providing all kinds of home decorations you want. Okay, let's go and have a look. Look, what can we get from in this market? Here I'm in first floor, District 1. Which provide all kinds of vase. Look, such as this glass vase and ceramics vase. Wherever you're from, you can buy all kinds of vase you want in this. Here we are in the first floor of this market. Behind me is the home decorations made by glaze. What glaze? Glaze is with higher quality and higher price than the glass. So you can have a look. Each product is unique. You can't find the second ones or the same ones in the world. And they are all in stock. You can buy whatever you want. You can see this in the wall. You can put this in the wall, and you can put flowers in this metal home decorations in this color and that color in black. Put this flower in this. It's suitable for home, right? And you can look this all shapes of lights. The star, circle, and the heart. Now I'm in the fourth floor, and behind me the store is one of our factory suppliers, and they provide higher quality home decorations. You can go and have a look. This product is made of glaze. What's glaze? Glaze is more beautiful and more. The price is lower than the glass, and it looks like crystal, right? It's really beautiful, and all of the products is handmade by the workers or the artists. It's not only the home decoration, it's also an art. Let's go and have a look. Oh, look this one. It's a bird. It's really beautiful and cute, right? And that is a beautiful blue color. Wow, you look! I found something really excited. What's this? It's a bottle. Perfume bottle, right? And this set is about Chinese traditional styles, black and the green. Oh my God! You can look this one. It looks like the melting candle, right? This melt candle. Wow, it's so lovely. It's mice. It's mice made of glaze. You put these home decorations in your home, and you can enhance your home to the next level. In this part, it's about animals home decoration. You can look. This is a pig. And this it's a mushroom. And this one looks like a rabbit. Wow, it's heavy. All of the products are in stock. You can buy whatever you want in this store. And this store exports many products to different countries in the world. Now today this store is over. Let's go and go to the next floor. Walking in this street, we can see many light decorations. You can see like this. This one is made of crystal, and this one is really beautiful, right? And this many beautiful light decoration. If you put this in your room will be lighter. Now we go to a store with special products made of resin. Come in. It's a big dog. In this apple. The horse. All the products is made of resin. You can see this small board. Many animal shapes. All kinds of shapes you can get in this store. And with many colors. Today is over. We saw lots of special products and special stores. If you have any questions or problems about how to import these home decorations from EU market in China, you can contact with us. If you like this video, you can follow us. See you next time. Bye.